natural moisturizer. I use honey as a healthy substitute for sugar.
I use honey in my hair masks and shampoo to give me luscious locks.
Dude, I use honey to help me with digestion and weight loss.
The store.
Store the.
Store the.
The store.
The store.
But where do you really get your honey?
Beekeepers have been collecting honey since the time of the ancient Egyptians. Beekeeping was revolutionized by a man named Lorenzo Langstroth in 1832.
Lorenzo Langstroth was born in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania in 1810. He graduated from Yale in 1831. He was a pastor of several churches in Massachusetts and became a principal of a young ladies' school in 1848. He married Ann Tucker and had 3 kids. In 1887, he moved to Dayton, Ohio with his daughter Harriet and died there on October 6, 1895.
Langstroth is credited with the invention of bee space. Bee space is a method of spacing out the hives so that bees have the perfect amount of room to make honey. It also prevents death and sickness in the hive. We have a beekeeper to explain Langstroth's hive.
Okay, they're all spaced out, and they're spaced specifically to go like this. So there's that much room for them to work.
Spacers between.
Yeah. So if I had the hive, and let's say for whatever reason, my frames are like this, they're gonna draw all that out and fill it all with honeycomb and stuff. Where for me, I can't get it out to get the honey. You know what I mean? It's all gonna fall apart. It's gonna be a mess.
Langstroth's invention of the modern beehive allows honey to be enjoyed forever and ever because it never goes bad, just like the bee movie.